share injunction now. The parameters of the injunction. One, and this or projecting.
Yeah.
And now what there's a
word. Or done what say MP to obey, you know.
Ha. And a two, and this or presenting. Just say this one.
Oh, let him call.
Ah,
okay.
First, no, he said, I don't know, come on, every day, Parliament, no, by this one, didn't call.
Okay.
CS,
okay.
So, I said, we had out to an amount. What's the main to San Amon cry? So, okay. It's a free so Nancy Aqua Parliament. And so I said, oh, yeah, and from so. Because court and say, meant to Sa and Amon. Oh, yeah, Yamon was a better court. It depends to San Amon, Nancy and Co Parliament, Brassy and Swear. Okay. And if it turns out, say, why yes, I never mean that. That's almost I think contempt here. And yet you have to answer.
I still maintain my question. What happens to his involvement in the electioneering?
That is the next question. One, the next question is a okay. Was that a legal vote or illegal vote? If the court makes a finding, say abandon country, illegal, the question is, did it affect the outcome? At the moment, they are saying say it was 2 votes. Some are saying some are saying differently.
Okay.
So they are saying because who says votes they are saying different things. NDC has a scenario. NPP has a scenario. Nobody is telling us votes no per se.
Per se.
Aye to it.
Okay.
It's a court to declare. Court of I said because of this guy's involvement. If he said attentive votes, and also see a process. And according to Nyakandia, everything will change.
Wow.
But I doubt whether the court will go there. I don't want to preempt because we don't know.
But what about the?
It may be so many scenarios because a person speaker was not validly elected. What then happens to Parliament?
Parliament invalidly sworn in.
Invalid by them. Thank you. Would the court be prepared to make that order?
Wow.
So that's
interesting.
Would the court then be able to say, you people are all invalid here? The president was also invalid this morning. I don't think any court will be prepared to
do that.
No,
okay.
Because you see, the interest of the court is to protect the unity of the state.
Okay.
Court to be any other person order. Never say yes. Because the only part of disappointing court, the court itself from here, it stands for the unity and the stability of the state. But obviously, you won't judge, you know, wacko decision be. I would say the decision is out of whack. But the court itself protects that the state will stand firm.
Now I'm in particular with the clerk to Parliament. Ya serve a notice. Say nipa's mercy. Ya the injunction atono so say ma onyese. Can you decide say ma ka kire no ba wase obayenti ma pene so onye
when a judgment call in the heat of the moment he had to make a certain judgment call. Maybe he felt unsafe because all the members were wanted to eat him up. His judgment was overborne. Just imagine the situation under normal circumstances. Maybe he wouldn't have allowed them. But they were all coming after him. If you couldn't run away, and I say, so
okay.
It was so.
So he felt intimidated, and
yes. The only his will was overborne. For so because he wanted to comply by the order.
Initially, or concern ruling, say the said candidate is not recognized in the house.
Yes.
So why do you go back to
because he was bullied. But you see, one thing we have to understand is the law says parliamentary proceedings and the like. So the law protects parliamentary proceedings.
Okay.
So things that happen inside parliament, usually no court has the power to interfere with what happens. So that's why in some countries we work on more to blow near and go baby. Oh, that's
okay.
It. You say unless they remove the privileges and immunity that you have.
Okay.
In terms of the votes that happen there, it already happened there. Now the court may declare say, "Sakwano over two aban." Valid. The question is, how do you know where he voted?
He voted. Whether for or against the speaker.
And you think that's what everybody could do. That's why I saw the another collection. Now, if he was saying he was back, how would people know how much he voted? It's when they go to no. The same thing.
Okay.
Nobody knows where he voted. And you will not, no court will be able to say, go and remove his vote.
Into the clerk, Cyril, no. One on the someone now because
nothing can happen to him because he was inside Parliament performing parliamentary duties.
Okay.
The order was to stop this guy from coming. All right. He attempted to stop him, and we moved father.
Okay.
Don't go ahead and
okay. Earlier now, the NDC were arguing, and I got the impression that the court, the Parliament was superior with respect to the injunction. So as they wanted the injunction to be set aside. Now, saying what's the level of the power of the court? The Parliament.
What's that? Dispute is here.
Court.
2012. Election petition is here.
Court, yeah.
Is it will be called parliamentary? Yes, one call. You know, we can parliament is superior than court.
Okay.
No way.
Okay.
Obia won it. So that's it. Then at the end of the day, said to go be see court near.
And echo.
And ya could see. And Jnr that said parliament is superior than any court. No.
Okay. Finally on this issue, some proponents of the NDC believe he said the court was not fair to Quayson because the court or El Techiman South the ruling was in the interest of the constituency. I said omunya representation in parliament, but in this case, injunctino. So as there's no fairness in this Quayson case, no.
But you have to understand, say, no two situations are always a difference. So that's it. The judge, before us, will make you order. Will make you sure, say, will tear both sides of the story. We're in Junction now, will tear Amaliba.
Yeah.
And other lead counsel, tear Manwasem. And will tear Mr. Davis, any other lawyers.
Okay.
Will tear almost Assin. And he away. And we're making a judgment. Other situations, the judge probably weighed and says, no, this one, there's no point in waiting. So let them go.
Okay.
But where the judge feels, say, this is a clear case where injunction should be granted.
Okay.
I don't think we can fault the judge. But you see, this happens all the time. You can go to one court, the same facts, you get the judgment one way. The same facts,
you get it in another way.
It happens all the time because there are two different human beings sitting in different courts. They all see it differently.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Me person who say court judges, no, do they consider the laws or they use their discretion in ruling?
Well, normally you have to follow the law. An injunction is normally discretion.